Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
To make money on Tradedoubler, start by signing up as an affiliate marketer. Explore Tradedoubler's network to find affiliate programs that align with your niche, interests, or target audience. Choose programs offering products or services that you believe will resonate with your audience and have the potential for conversions. Once you've selected affiliate programs, create compelling marketing campaigns. Develop engaging content such as blog posts, reviews, videos, or social media posts that effectively showcase the benefits and value of the products or services you're promoting. Craft persuasive messages tailored to your audience's needs or interests, encouraging them to click on your affiliate links. Utilize diverse marketing channels to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Implement strategies like content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, or PPC campaigns to reach your audience and promote the affiliate products effectively. Experiment with different approaches and analyze which methods yield the best results. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of your campaigns through the Tradedoubler platform. Track important metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings generated from your affiliate links. Use this data to optimize your campaigns, identify top-performing programs, and refine your promotional strategies to maximize your earnings potential. Success on Tradedoubler as an affiliate marketer involves understanding your audience, creating impactful marketing campaigns, and adapting your strategies based on performance data. Providing value to your audience, building trust, and refining your approach are crucial steps towards increasing conversions and generating income through the platform.
That concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.